Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuse to check in case you're having problems with the alternator. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Most common symptom of bad alternator is your battery will not be charged while the vehicle is running, and slowly the battery will get depleted and you won't be able to start your vehicle anymore. Or also what could happen, your vehicle might just shut off while driving. So people often replace the battery because they think the problem is in the battery. But if the problem is in the alternator, new battery will not help you, because once it gets empty as well, it won't be able to start the vehicle anymore. Now, one thing which I will also show you, when you have a bad alternator, sometimes this battery red warning light will be illuminated on the dashboard, so that's also something to keep in mind. Alternator fuse is located in a small fuse box which is under the front hood right here. Now, to leave this cover you will have two black tabs, one here on this side and one on the other side. You can just pull this one up to unlock it and remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Alternator fuse is fuse number 6 and it is a 15 amp fuse located right here. So this is your alternator fuse. So like I said, if this fuse is good, then you can test the alternator itself and see if it's undercharging or overcharging the battery or not working at all. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.